Welcome back in Reflections, Chosen and Family. We is back in here. So I just started doing my sweet potato harvest, and I just did the 3 grow bags, and that's what we got up in there. Out of the 3 grow bags, this is what we got. Yeah, pretty nice. I told y'all this season was gonna be a better season for everything. Yeah. Okay, but and I just wanted to show y'all that. Finna go ahead and harvest these potatoes right here. And I'm not sure what's under the ground, what's in there. Yeah. So I'm gonna harvest them and let y'all see what's going on. But this is the sweet potato harvest, the first harvest of 2025. We got 2 more sections to go. I'll get y'all them videos here soon. Till the next go around, y'all know what it is.